This is rough, but we're just gonna start my truck. It's 7 in the morning. It's not really a cold start. I don't think I got that cold last night. It's raining. And I don't really feel like getting out of here. But it's also cold in my truck. Oh, and I swear every time I'm like, I want to wash my truck today, it rains. In Illinois, it rains dirt. It's like acid dirt. And I'm tired of it. I need to leave. I gotta get out of here.
3 days later.
I swear to God, you guys, every time I think about washing my truck or after I wash my truck, it rains. And it's supposed to rain all day today. So I wanted to wash my truck today. So you know what? Even though it rains literal dirt here in Illinois, we're gonna wash my truck in the rain. I don't. God. It's so cold out and I have no shoes on. T-shirt, shorts. Oh, come on. That's paint. I was painting last night. I painted a jellyfish, if you were wondering. My mom is gonna be like, what in the hell are you doing? Also, this tree used to have, that's why there's like, oh my God, why is the water? Oh, no, it's not. Hold on. Also, I wanted Savannah to help me film, but I think she's sleeping and she has work later, so we're just gonna let her do that. Debating if I care enough to use soap. This is a new hosey thing. What is in there? Noah! We're so professional over here. Call me for all detailing services. I'm getting soaked and it's cold. Oh my God. I always wash under my truck even though it's not salty at the moment outside. I think I forgot to finish my sentence about these white things. It's literally flower petals and they get all over your truck and all over the driveway and all over the street. Ooh, a spider web. No. The hose is not reaching. Yeah, I think that looks great. Ugh, go away. I hate these things. Let's see if I even have soap. My hands are frozen. Hiccup. Let's see. Hello? This bike is in my way. Nope. Wow. Well, that's quite unfortunate if you ask me. Okay, well, now that I'm done pretending that whatever I just did actually cleaned my truck, let's talk, I guess. Not much has really been going on around in the neighborhood. Not much has really been going on. The weather's been okay. It's just not been like perfect, and I'm picky when I film. Like, it's just everything has to be perfect or I just get discouraged. So obviously a couple videos ago I took off my shocks. Still haven't ordered them yet. Couldn't tell you why. I'm just being annoying. Ooh, fun news. I got a job kind of for funsies. From like, well, okay, so I'm just gonna work where Savannah's working because she works at night, and usually by the hours that I'll be working, I'm not doing anything anyway. So instead of sitting at home and being in my brain, why not make some money while being in my brain? So I'm still gonna upload and stuff, and I'll have extra money to throw in this truck and put towards YouTube. And so yeah, I think it'll be fun, beneficial for mentally and financially. Here's some bad news. How do I put this? Okay, so Savannah kind of decided that like the YouTube life, the social media life, just really isn't for her. She has a different career path. She wants to be a firefighter, which is super cool. So I told her, well, you still want to build your truck and everything, so why don't we, make videos about your truck on my channel, and that way you can edit and put out there what you want, but you don't have to worry about, what I have to, I guess, worry about. I'm not entirely worried about views and likes and, stuff like that, because this is just what I like to do. I've always liked making movies. When I was younger, I had a little, camera, and I don't know why I never like thought that this was something I could do. I mean, when I was in high school, I used to make like stupid vlogs with me and my friends. Those are all deleted now, obviously. Those are embarrassing. But I figured, that way, because you guys are always asking, like, when Savannah's next video, where's Savannah? What about Savannah's truck? You'll be able to find all of that here. I'll make sure her truck's in the thumbnail and everything when we do stuff with her truck, even if it's like not the whole video. So if there's anything that you guys want to suggest for Savannah to do with her truck, try to comment it in my videos, just so that she can be a part of all of this, but it doesn't have to be something that she has to take care of in the long run. Does that make sense? Because social media really isn't for everybody. Right now it's barely for me because it's been a lot lately. Jesus Christ, dude. But yeah, I was like, give her an outlet to where when she wants to make content, we can make content together, and then you guys know where to find it. Make sense? Makes sense. this weekend I'm going camping, and I'm probably bringing my truck, but I know mostly I make truck content, but I guess I want to ask you guys that if I did upload like camping trip or whatever, you know, like here's, you know, my friends acting a fool at the campground, if that be something that you guys would watch. I'll probably upload it anyways. So maybe I'm more so just like, hey, I'm not necessarily transitioning into like a different niche, but just like, I like to film things. I like to, you know, have memories with my friends and just everyone around me. And, you know, when you post it, it's there forever. I don't have to waste my storage with stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna upload it anyways, but I was just hoping you guys would be okay with that. My dog is barking at my mom's fiance. My mom's engaged. Life update. That happened actually like possibly 3 weeks ago. So that's fun. Everyone say happy engagement, Kaylee's mom. I don't know. But yeah, I figured I'd sit down with you guys real quick, and you know, a lot of you guys can kind of tell that there's a lot going on right now, and I appreciate the DMs and everyone letting me know that it's gonna be okay, and you know, it'll all work out. Really helps me. You have no idea. And I know I haven't uploaded in like I think over a week, but shit got crazy. If you know about it, you know about it. I'm really tired of talking about it. But yeah, I just, you know, thought I'd talk to you guys real quick, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Weep weep.